Hello, good day viewers. In this virtual class, we'll be looking at binary operations. We're going to look at the distributive property. How does a binary operation distribute over another? So here, we're going to look at that by using the question here to illustrate it. Well, first of all, what does it mean to distribute? Now, if we have, let's say we have 5 times, okay? Let's say times here 3 plus 4, okay? By distributive means this is 5 times, okay? This 5 times we multiply 3, then it will distribute over addition. That means if what we are writing here now, that this is, let's assume say this is 3 plus 4, which is 7. 5 times 7 is 35, okay? Now, by distributive means that here we have a 5 times 3. This addition sign here, it doesn't affect it. We see plus. So the times we jump it will become 5 times 4. Are they going to give us the same result? 5 times 3 is 15. Then 5 times 4 is 20. If we look at this, so they are the same. That means once an expression of this form is distributed, it means that both of them are equal. Otherwise, if they are not, we say they are not distributive. So we have two binary operations here. One defined by this. So because we are using two element given, so we add another element. Let we have that A, B, and C, they belong to the set of natural number. So we are going to look whether if A, this operation here, assuming we write this one as A, is it distributive over if we have B on C. Okay? So this is how we look at it. Is it now in this expression simply means that is it that what we have here now, A operator, which is asterisk in parentheses, okay? Now it simply means we are saying that, okay, this one is distributing over this. So here means this one is also what? A asterisk or C. These two against this. These two also against this. Okay, so we want to show whether if this the right hand side and the left hand side are the same. First of all, what we need to do here, based on what we have here, this operator here simply means that once we have this is a product. That means we are saying A open bracket B operator C. Then we have to look at what we have inside here, B operator C here. What does it mean here? Once you have this operation here, it simply means that the first one here, it means that what you have here, this one is A first. What you have inside here simply means, B, simply means B over C. But we note here, this one alone is this. So we are saying that A operating upon is the same thing as what? A times B, which is AB over C. Okay? That is the meaning of this. Now let's check it with all this one. Let's check it with this. Okay, this one is A. Okay? Yes, then operating upon asterisk C. So these two facts, we look at this operation here, it means that once you have this, it means it's their product, which is AB here, operated upon what? AC. Now one define this is that once you have this, is this one divide this. So it's AB over what? AC. AB over what? AC. So this go with this, and what is left there is B over what? C. We could see that this aspect of this operation is B over C, and this aspect is what? AB over C. That means this operation here, the star operation, does not distribute over the operation here. That is the meaning. Okay? Now, they also ask us, the other aspect of the question is that, does this distribute over this? So let's look at that. So it means our operation here will be A, B, asterisk what? C. So that's what it means here. We'll act with this one first, A. This A operate upon B asterisk C. Now it simply means that this operator here, A, B, then is distributive over what? The same thing as A, C here. So we first of all do this, and we also operate this to see if they are the same. Once they are the same, that means this operation is distributive. Otherwise, they are not. So we see that what we have here, B over C and AB over C, they are not the same. That means the operation star is not distributive over this. Okay? So for this, what defines this is that once you have this operation, it means that you are saying A over B, and whatever you have here in parentheses. But this operation here has its own definition, which simply means this one is A over, once you have B operator operating this asterisk C, it simply means it's their product. So this one is what? B, C. So the whole of this expression now, A is A over BC. Now let's check this. Let's check this, and then operate it on the middle one here. So first of all, A operation this operator this become what? Based on their definition here, anytime you see this is A, it means this the one on the left hand side over the one on divide the one on the right hand side. So A is A over B. Then you know this sign is here, and this one will go what? A over what? Over C. So let's operate this. This operation shows that once you have this operation, that means it's their product. So here this become A over B times A over C. This become what? A square over BC. So now let's look at this. Look at this, A over BC here. This one is A square over BC. That means this operation is not distributive over this. Okay? So that's how to operate this. Now, please, if you like this video, please help me share this on your social media platform. See you in my next virtual class.